guys. Today we're going to be doing a little bit more coloring because I really love coloring. And we're going to do a little boy. The paper. A little boy riding a horse. You guys might be wondering, you are watching Learn with Amira. My name is Amira and I'm only 5 years old because I grew up slowly. When I was a baby. So, let's just get started on our coloring. Look. These are my new crayons. Let's shake them up so it'll be ready, and then I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Now I'm going to show you guys what they look like. This is what they look like. They're like my normal crayons. Oops. I'm going to show you the crayons that I bring to school. So, this is what my school's crayons look like, and this is what the crayons that I'm using look like. Completely different. Look at this. Sure, crayon, look crayon. That's so cool. I'm gonna put this back in my backpack. So now we're gonna color. Good girl. First, I am gonna do the grass. Obviously green. And you guys may be wondering, what is that noise? Because I am sick. That's why that is the noise. Grass done. Now I am going to do the cloud. Cloudy. Sorry about that. I'll put them all in a line. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Alright, now I am gonna do the boy. Which is I'm gonna do his hair first. Which is his hair color, turn. His hair color is brown. And guys, you might be wondering, I want some water. I'm gonna put my book aside so no water spills on. Brownie time! Good girl. Minty is being such a good girl, you guys. She always squiggles and wiggles when I'm making a video. Today she's being so good. Skin color time. There we go. Skin. Red time. Red time. Blue. Oh, blue time. Blue for beer and blue for shoes. We are gonna do the horse's tail. The horse's tail. The horse's tail. Now I am gonna do the other part that looks like a tail. gonna ask my mom to do the body because it looks a little bit hard. That looks so hard. Brown, brown, brown. Brown. So brown. I think I'm gonna actually not color it all. I'm gonna make a horse nails. They don't look like this. I like this color now. Yeah, they don't look like oh, this is... I think I should add one more layer. This looks so beautiful, you guys. So, I am going to show you my final result. I'm going to stand on the table. Alright. 3, 2, 1. This is my result. It is so beautiful. I really love it. And it is so much beautiful. I think I'm gonna hang this on my home's wall. So, thanks. This is the end of this video. Maybe I am gonna make another video for another activity when I come out of school. My mom is gonna give me a special surprise when I come out of school. And maybe I'll make a video there unboxing my nice surprise. So, see you guys in